Hello! Hello, Korean subscriber! Thank you, Mr. Aaron Dawon Jayon name. Thank you so much for giving 2,000 pesos to shopping and grocery. Thank you. And also Mr. Jin Kim. Mr. Ayon Dawon Jayon name, and also Mr. Jin Kim. Hello, Mr. Jin Kim. This is the remaining money, Sir Jin Kim. 673 and 25 centavos. For now, I give her this, the remaining money for Lori B. Lori B, I give you the remaining money. Ina, thank you. God bless. Nicholas. Hello to all Korean subscribers. I'm here in Gaisano Mall. I bring Lori B and Nicholas. Nicholas and Lori B. Say hi. Nicholas. Tell Lori B, Sir Jin Kim, she want to buy the shoes of Nicholas. I go there children's shoes. Nicholas and the mother choose the shoes. Sige, taro nga. Unsa pa may paliton? Nicholas, she happy Sir Jin Kim because she come in mall. She want to go in the t-shirt and sandals. Say hi, Nicholas. Hi. Thank you. The mother chose the t-shirt.
Please, Vilma Galera. Please, contact 304.
No, Nicholas. Nicholas. Nicholas, she want to play Keisha. For now, Sir Jin Kim, she fall in line here in cashier. She buy the t-shirt and shoes.
One City Internal Audit the Shoes Warehouse. One City Internal Audit.
Keisha Nicolas play. I'm here in the grocery. The mother, she want to buy shampoo. I'm here in the station of milk. She want buy milk to Nicholas. Lori B, unsay gusto niya nga biskwit? No, 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 no. She choose the biscuit. She pay now here. Nay, ikubag, miss. Tagpilang ikubag. For now, Jean, she pay the grocery. Nicholas! Nicholas, so very energetic child. She want to play. I'm here now in the place. Say hi, Nicholas. Say hi, Nicholas. Tawa ka si Nicholas. Hi. Nicholas arrived the taxi. She want arrive all toys. Hello! Hello, Korean subscriber! Ayaw na! Ayaw na! Kisha Nuno! Chepa Drive! For now, Jane, I'm going to Jollibee. For now, Jane, I go inside in Jollibee with Nicholas and mother Keisha and me. Sige na, pangitan itong lamisa ka. For now, I'm waiting to order the Jollibee. Ayan, subscribers, for now, this is the grocery. She buy Dutch mill and also the is biscuit and Bravo milk, coffee, and the can. This is the receipt, Mr. Jin Kim, the grocery. This is the Jollibee. Nicholas enjoy eating the Jollibee. Thank you, Mr. Aaron Dawon Jayonim. Thank you so much for Jollibee and Shopee. And also Mr. Jin Kim. Thank you. Once again, thank you, Mr. Aaron Dawon Jayonim. Thank you so much. Bye. This is the shoes and also the shirt. You buy shirt. Set up polo shirt and shoes.
Nag-inom mo nagkikilaman mo siya na ito.
Come back. Come back. Ayan.
Buy also.
Friends, nanak ba?
Milk and coffee.
Mana?
I buy also Fuji bar. This is the favorite occasion.
Wala na akong magbalon ng katon.
Sigara Deadpool, please put it inside the office. Sigara Deadpool, Dumamag Eileen, please put it inside the office.
I
Dumamag
buy
Eileen,
Chucky.
please put it inside the office. Babanto JB, please put it inside the office. Babanto JB, inside the office.
Oh, isa ko, oh, spicy. Dali. Tro, dilya lang na raw. Kuha na yun. O, tanawa. Hello, Mr. Jinkin. And also, Mr. Aaron Dawon Jayonim. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving me
Grocery.
grocery and noodles, Maggi bar, steak coffee, and milk, and
Cup noodles.
cup noodles. Thank you, Mr. Gisan and
Thank you so much, Mr. Aaron Dawon Jayonim. Thank you so much. Bye. God bless.